there are times and good times and bad. When good times come, when I'm telling you, people who are following instructions and they pass very quickly, you have another opportunity. All of you, I request you to put your microphone off and give a huge applause for our Sanchit. Sanchit, did you already speak with the people over here about who passed not only his theory in the shortest time? How many days, Sanchit?
So around 40 to 45 days. Yes.
45 days of classes and he passed with
Yes.
0 errors. And in the first try, he passed his practical test. A big applause for him, ladies and gentlemen.
Mashallah.
Let us see,
Congratulations.
Congratulations, bro.
Congratulations.
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 Congrats.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
all right, now we will move him in the front.
Go sleep. You are
Now
not going anywhere.
Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone. Grazie mille. Tanto grazie mille, ragazzi.
Now you see one more time, one more example, the fact that even if you got license, doesn't mean you can speak Italian.
Well, that's true, sir, because...
Sorry, go on, Sanchit.
Yeah, that's true, sir. I am adesso io parlo italiano come poco italiano, no?
No, I tell you why. I'll put you up to the speed. I was telling my students before that most of the students who pass very quickly, foreigners, they do well understand, they understand the Manual della Patente, but it's possible that they don't understand Italian very well. So don't expect to be perfectly Italian, but you'll know all about the laws on the signs and all that. So that's why. And when you said that, I was just making a joke because I had just spoken that Sanchit is one good example. How long have you been in Italy now? Tell us briefly about yourself. 5 minutes, enough motivation, and then we'll go to our quiz.
Yeah, guys, I'll just quickly tell you about me. So I'm sure most of you might know me because most of you were my batchmates, I would say, of Ambrish Quick Patente, and most of you don't know me. So I'm Sanchit Singh, and I came in Italy last year in April. And from April till December, I was busy in making all my papers and all of my permesso di soggiorno and everything. Then in December, I applied for my license. I applied for my license. I took the date for my exam, and that's when I reached out Mr. Ambrish to join his class. I was so scared, guys. I did not know A, B, C of Italian at all. Nothing about Italian. And I was so scared. Then eventually, my wife searched on YouTube somehow, and she got to know about Ambrish Quick Patente, and she simply said, you should check because this seems that Ambrish explains everything which is there in Italian into English or in Hindi or in Urdu. I said, that's like gold for me, my eyes were brightened like anything. And then I simply spoke with him. I joined. It was very, I think it was the best decision because of which as Ambrish sir just said, that within just 45 days, guys, you guys have to believe me. I am not joking around. I followed everything what he said. I did what he said. I took notes from each class. Even if I was not able to study in one whole day, one thing I did was to attend his class and to be attentive whenever he's teaching, whatever he's teaching, the words, the jargons he has. I think those are the best. I don't think if I would have joined any other autoscuola or any other person, I would have been able to pass my exam. But finally, I did not join any other autoscuola. I did join Ambrish Quick Patente, and I'm so glad that I got my folio rosa in 45 days, guys. And right now, I cannot tell you how much happy I am. I don't know. Maybe I'm speaking a lot and I'm speaking very loud. So you might get my excitement right now, how much excited I am that today I can drive in Italy freely. I am a free bird now, I don't have to wait for bus. I don't have to wait for trains. I don't have to walk from my house. My house is a little far from city, so I don't have to walk to the bus stop, to the train station. So I'm free now. I have my car, and I feel really, really, really proud of myself. And I really feel proud of Mr. Ambrish. Because of him, I was able to get my license today. And, it was, I can't explain how much happy I am, guys. And I really wish each one of you a very good luck. One thing I would like to suggest to each of my fellow students, that Ambrish sir is not just teaching. He's training. He trained my brain, and he's training your brain also, which always in the class he tells you that he's a brain trainer, and it is true. Then on the day of your exam, a couple of hours before, no matter your exam is at 8 a.m. or at 7 a.m. or at 9 a.m., he will be the one telling you that I'll get on the call with you 2 hours before the exam. Guys, that is very important call. You have to get on the call with him right before the exam. He prepared me so well. Guys, there were around 28 more people apart from me, 28, 29 more people. They all were blank, like they all were white with their face, like they were so scared, they were so nervous. I was the only one laughing and talking to people and telling what Amrish sir told me 2 hours before. I was telling the same thing to the other people. So that particular session is very important before your exam, guys. And believe you me, you have to. You have to do what he says and how he says. Attend the classes and you will get passed in a jiffy, just like that. It's not a big deal. It's Amrish sir has the magic he has a magic wand there in his brain, and which runs on you just like this, like a wand. Thank you so much, Amrish sir. It was an incredible experience to be with you. It was an incredible feeling altogether, and the emotions I have right now, I cannot even, I don't have words to put that emotions in.
I know, but people can feel it. Thank you very much for transmitting so much enthusiasm, and thank you very much for explaining and explicitly. And yes, I will expect also friends of yours. And thank you very much once again.
Thank you so much, sir, and all the very best, everyone, for your exam.
Thank you,
Hope
sir.
you guys get passed soon.
Thank you on behalf of